Hey guys, going to be doing another unboxing video for you today. Right now we're going to be unboxing the Canon Vixia HF S200. This is the Canon's newest model for 2010. So let's open her up and see what we got inside. First of all, looks like we got a registration card. Looks like we got Canon's included software for video editing. Looks like that's a couple discs. We got user manual. Looks like maybe another manual or two about the camera. We pop this top off. And then we have a power cord, the included battery, some AV cables, and it also looks like we have a USB cable with this. Got some more AV cables, and here is also the USB cable. It's like a standard USB to mini B cable. We've got a cell type battery, the power adapter, and this included Canon wireless remote. That's what the cell battery's for. So we got, and then of course the camera. Make sure there's nothing else inside. I don't think there's going to be, so there's the box. Bubble wrapped up for protection. Here we are. It is by no means a very, very small body. It's a little bit on the larger side, especially compared to the flip style camcorder, which is being filmed with right now. It's got a nice style all the way around, it looks like to me. Nice glossy finish here with a brushed finish here. It feels not too heavy, but heavy enough to feel solid. Got a little product information here. It does have a 8 megapixel still image recorder. Records in full 1080p HD. We've got the wrist strap here. Feels very comfy. Looks like on the side here we have a USB slot, an HDMI out. That is a mini HDMI connector, so you would probably need some type of converter or a special cable to use that. We've got a manual or video recording switch. This would probably be your headphone or audio jack. It does have microphone inputs microphones on both sides of the lens, with a nice big lens. One of the reasons why I decided to go with this model was the great size of the lens. This here is a custom selector knob on the side. On the bottom there really is not much more than just the standard tripod mount with a battery release switch. On this side, of course, we then have the flip open screen, which is a touch screen, powered IS for image stabilization. This here would be your composite out, AV out, and it says remote. So right here we have, must be some type of remote hookup, component here, then AV here, various buttons. This model does not have any type of included internal storage, so what it does come with is 2 SD card slots for storage, slot A and B. On top we have the standard accessory shoe, power button, wide and telescopic selector switch, and a photo button. All in all, it looks like a very nice camera right out of the box. Like I said, it is a little bit bigger, but that is for some reason also due to the large lens size, which gives you good color quality in low light conditions. Nice swivel screen. Does swivel all the way around, and you can shut it with a screen like that. So yeah, very nice camera. One complaint there was about this camera was, let me see if I can, yeah, hear that? A little bit of rattle with the, I believe that's with the, yeah, that's with the lens cover, a little bit of a rattle to it. All in all, I don't think that's going to be a distraction, especially when you're shooting videos, you're going to have it open anyways. It should not be an issue. So, in summary, you of course get the Canon video camera, remote, power adapter, AV cables, included battery, more AV cables, included Pixel application software, manual, registration card, all in the package. Can't wait to try it out.